Endocrine system, 12.6 endocrine system. The coordination system of the body needs cooperation between the endocrine system and the nervous system. Both systems play an important role in maintaining homeostasis. Even though both systems have different functions, they interact and complement each other to regulate and coordinate all processes and activities in the body. What is the endocrine system? So, endocrine system must work together with the nervous system, okay, for homeostasis. For example, to regulate our body temperature, our blood glucose level, for example. So, these two must work together. So, what is endocrine system? What is the endocrine system? Endocrine system of humans. Okay, the endocrine system is made up of glands. So, the main organs are glands. So, we have a lot of glands in our body. Okay, we have some glands that secrete chemicals and substances that is hormones. Okay, hormones. So, hormone is the substance or the chemical substance secreted by the glands. The endocrine glands are ductless glands, so the hormones are secreted directly into the blood flow. Even though the hormones are transported throughout the body in the blood, the hormones only influence and affect specific target cells. The hormones bind with specific molecular receptors on the membrane surface of target cells and produce specific response. So let's say we have the glands here. Okay, this one is the blood vessel. Okay, blood vessel. So we have a lot of blood here lah, and also blood, and also all the blood cells inside here, platelets on. So this gland, known as ductless gland. Why? Because when it produces hormones here, the hormone inside the ductless gland here, it will secreted directly to the blood flow. Like this. Okay, then it will go to the specific target cell, or maybe a specific target organ also can. So let's say we have here kidney. So I'll draw kidney here. Okay, kidney. So although these hormones are produced at the other parts of the body, not in the kidney. So when the hormones flow inside the blood vessel, right, inside the blood flow, so it will travel throughout the body. Throughout to the hands, through the legs and so on, whatever. But it will not show any response until it reach the target organ, until it reach the kidney. So when it reach the kidney, for example, the target cells in the kidney, it will bind the specific molecular receptors on the membrane surface of target cells and produce specific responses. So this is the characteristic of hormones. Although produced in other parts of the body, but when it travels through the blood flow, so it will reach to the target cell or specific target organs, then it will produce specific response to the with the target cell or target organs. For example, if this one hormones for kidney, so it will travel throughout our body, and then when it reach kidney, then it will produce the response. If it reach lungs, it reach other parts of the body, no response. Okay, because that's what makes this hormones specific. Specific with the target cells. Okay, so this is the characteristic of hormones. You must remember, so some hormones are not produced in dead organs. Maybe from other organs, so the other organs will produce the hormones, but the target organs is the other organs. Maybe for example, from our brain, maybe from the pituitary glands, we produce the hormones. So the hormones actually for the bone, so it will go to the bones. So it will not affect other parts of the body. Let's say, for example lah. Okay, and then what is the difference between this ductless gland and duct glands? So we have another glands known as duct glands. So let's say we have these glands, so it will also produce a substance inside here, but this gland needs a duct. Let's a duct like this to go to the specific target organ. Means it's not flow inside the blood flow lah. It will flow inside the duct. They go to the specific organ or specific cell. So this is duct glands. Example, we can say sweat gland. Sweat glands, example of this lah, duct ducts produced to when the chemical substance produced in the sweat glands, it will travel through the duct here. This the vessel here known as duct lah. But for this endocrine system, all the organs are ductless glands. You must remember, so the hormone will be secreted directly to the blood flow. No need the duct, no need the vessel to carry it to the specific target cell or target organs. Okay, and then the endocrine system of human is made up of many glands. The glands secrete different hormones involved in specific physiological processes. The functions of hormones can be divided into three main functions: reproduction, growth, and homeostasis. So these are the three main functions of the hormones. For reproduction, needs hormones. For growth and also homeostasis, of course lah, to regulate our body temperature, to regulate the blood glucose level, all needs hormones. Okay, so these are the three main functions of the hormones. Okay, so let us take a look at the glands. So these are all the glands inside our body. So we have hypothalamus, if you remember, part of the brain, and then near the hypothalamus we have the pituitary glands. Okay, thyroid glands at the neck here, thyroid glands, and then adrenal glands at the kidney. Pancreas also glands. Pancreas also glands. Pancreas have some other function, produce enzyme, right, in digestive system. But pancreas is also a gland. Okay, so this one ovary, also the glands, and also testis in males, glands. So these are the glands inside our body. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 lah. Because in female we have ovary, but for male we have testis. Okay, so these are the glands. So all these glands, when we say about glands, you must remember, must produce hormones. So you must remember lah what hormones produced by this, but all of these glands. So our main glands here is the pituitary gland. Okay, later we are going to learn about this. Okay, so we continue later.